Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make open scroll element. Open scroll element which we are going to use in this project. So after you curve your paper strip, you just need to roll it. I don't use any slotted tool to roll the paper strip, so I just fold the paper strip, see, as less as you can. So try to make a hole in the center as smaller as you can, so that then your artwork will be more beautiful. And start roll. Roll tightly the paper strip. It's a tight roll. If you add some glue here, it will be tight roll. Then you have to expand. You have to expand a little bit this tight roll, and if you now add some glue, it will be loose roll. But we need open scroll, so just open it and you have open scroll. We are going to use it for our coffee mug, also for coffee haze, and here we are going to make double scroll for mug handle. Thank you.